It's actually the Armageddon.
Well, that's according to an evangelical numerologist. Life as we know it will cease to exist at...
Tell you, it's actually the Armageddon.
Well, that's according to an evangelical numerologist. Life as we know it will cease to exist at some point today. Australian time, we think. But not everyone's so sure. Doomsday, Armageddon, the apocalypse, an obsession that is as old as time itself. And the latest prediction is from this bloke, David Mead. He's a Christian numerologist who claims a verse in the Bible proves that the world will end today, September 23. Using codes from the Good Book and also a date marker shown by the pyramids of Giza in Egypt, he could pinpoint today. David says that Planet X, also known as Nibiru, is a wandering planet hiding in our solar system, set to collide with us sometime very soon. But those crusty old boffins at NASA disagree.
There is no credible evidence whatever for the existence of Nibiru. So please, get over it. Nibiru isn't real. Planet X isn't real. We don't have to worry about this hoax.
What would he know? This is just the latest in a long list of predicted and failed Armageddon. For millennia, civilizations have prophesied when the world will come to an end. The Mayans predicted that our world would end on December 21, 2012. Thousands of people braced for what would be their last day on Earth.
The thing I expect to happen today, apart from this wonderful gathering, is the birth of a new age.
But what would happen at 11:11 this morning UK time when the Mayan cycle was due to end? Would the world end as well? No, was the answer.
Next, the Romans predicted that 634 AD would be the end of days, and they were wrong. In the 16th century, Nostradamus said 1999 would be our last year, but in case he was wrong, he also gave a backup prediction of the year 3797, just to be safe. And in modern times, we're just as obsessed. In 2008, many people believed that the world would explode in a black hole when the Large Hadron Collider was switched on, thinking it would trigger another Big Bang. It didn't. Phew. Now, who could forget the anxiety of the year 1999? Y2K fever. Possibly the most famous doomsday prediction to date. Those that believed in the Y2K theory thought that when it came time for the turn of the millennium, the world's computer systems would crash. Planes would drop out of the sky, power plants would shut down, and society would cease to function.
It is probably, outside of wartime, the most serious emergency we've confronted.
It caused global panic as people prepared for what could be the end of life as we knew it.
This city bookstore stocks 13 titles on getting through Y2K, including an Australian guide which equates January 1 to a cyclone hitting. It even suggests we start getting together with our neighbours now to work out how we'll survive.
But the year ticked over and, well, nothing happened. Life went on, so will today be any different? Probably not, but just in case, how should we prepare for our last day on Earth?
So live your day well, like like any other day. Live your day well.
Just get really drunk, have a good night, I guess. Do what you wouldn't really do. Spend your life
to shoot it down in the middle of it. Yeah, Bruce Willis. Bruce Willis. So
not going to happen, but in your opinion, should we be worried about Nibiru?
No, there is nothing to worry about. And if people are really worried, they can give me their bank accounts and I can hold on to their money safely if they like. But no, there is nothing coming. We were talking about asteroid reason to hide these things.
Yeah.
We want to find
Force on other things in our solar system, and there's been...
You know, we'll broadcast it here on another...